Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Today's lesson is the past tense of verbs. In the previous lessons, we discussed about the present tense conjugation of the verbs. And there are three kinds of verbs in Japanese: ru verbs, u verbs, and the irregular verbs. For the ru verbs, the rule is replace the ru with mas for affirmative or masen for negative. For example, taberu, the dictionary form taberu, to eat. Its present affirmative is tabemasu. Eat, I eat, we eat. And its present negative is tabemasen. Tabemasen. I don't eat, we don't eat, he doesn't eat. Next, neru, to sleep, neru. And its present affirmative is nemasu. Nemasu. Its negative is nemasen, don't sleep. Nemasen, don't sleep or doesn't sleep. Next, okiru. Okiru means to get up. So the present is okimasu. Okimasu. I get up, he gets up, okimasu. And the present negative, okimasen. Okimasen. I don't get up. Next, miru. Miru, to see. Its present affirmative is mimasu. I see. Mimasu. We see. And its negative is mimasen. Mimasen. I don't see. He doesn't see. Next, for the u verbs, we retain the consonant and replace you with imas or imasen. For example, in nomu, here the consonant is letter M. M. Here we replace the u with imas for affirmative or imasen for negative. So here we're just going up the ladder of the table ma, mi, mu, me, mo. So mu, it becomes mi. Nomu, nomimasu. Mu, mi. Mu, mi. Nomu, to drink. Nomimasu, drink. I drink. He drinks. She drinks. We drink. And its negative present is nomimasen. I don't drink. He doesn't drink. Nomimasen. Yomu, to read. Yomu. So mu becomes me again. So yomimasu, to read. I read. He reads. She reads. We read. No, yomimasu. Then yomimasen. Don't read. I don't read. Next, hanasu, to speak. Its present affirmative is hanashimasu. I speak. We speak. She speaks. I speak to the teacher. Hanashimasu. Then its negative is hanashimasen. Hanashimasen. I don't speak. Then kiku. Kiku can mean to listen, to ask, or to hear. So its present is kikimasu. Kikimasu. So ku, ki, su, shi. Kikimasu. And its negative is kikimasen. I don't listen, I don't ask, I don't hear. Kikimasen. Next, iku, to go. Iku. So its present is ikimasu. Ikimasu. And its negative is ikimasen. Ikimasen. Don't go. He doesn't go. Ikimasen. Another u verb which ends in ru is kaeru. Kaeru. Although kaeru ends in ru, it is an u verb, so we retain the consonant r. So what happens is ru, it becomes ri. Ru, ri. So kaerimasu. Kaerimasu. For I return. He returns. For negative, kaerimasen. I don't return. He doesn't return. We don't return. Kaerimasen. So from you, it becomes letter I. Mu, ni, su, shi, ru, ri. Okay? It's easy. So we do not say kaimas or kaimasen because it's an U verb. Okay? Next, for the irregular verbs, we replace uru with imas for affirmative or imasen for negative, and we retain the consonant. It's the same for the U verb. So, for example, suru. There are two irregular verbs in Japanese, suru and kuru. So here, suru, we retain the S. So suru, it becomes shimasu. Sa, shi, su, se, so. So su, shi, shimasu. I do, he does. For the negative, shimasen. I don't do. He doesn't do. Shimasen. And we also add suru to another word to create a new word. So here, benkyo means to study. So literally, benkyo suru means to do study, but this is Japanese. So in English, we just say to study. Benkyo suru means to study, and its present form is, present affirmative is benkyo shimasu. Benkyo shimasu. I study. He studies. We study. Then its negative present is benkyo shimasen. Benkyo shimasen. I don't study. He doesn't study. Then kuru. Here, kuru, to come. So kimasu. I come. He comes. Kimasu. So here we retain the letter K consonant, and uru becomes imasu. So kimasu for present, and then for negative, kimasen, don't come. So I always remember this in U verbs and irregular verbs. U becomes I. Okay. Now, in order to create the past tense conjugation of ru verbs, we follow the rule in the present tense conjugation. We just change some words here, some letters. So the past tense conjugation of ru verbs, we replace the ru again with mashita for affirmative or masen deshita for negative. Again, mashita for affirmative and masen deshita for negative. For example, taberu. So here, to say ate, I ate. We ate. He ate. Tabemashita. Tabemashita. Past tense. Tabemashita. And then for the past negative, tabemasen deshita. Tabemasen deshita. Didn't eat. Did not eat. For neru, nemashita. Slept. Nemashita. And then negative, nemasen deshita. Did not sleep. Nemasen deshita. Okiru. Got up. Okimashita. Got up. Okimashita. Did not get up. Okimasen deshita. Okimasen deshita. Miru. Mimashita. Saw. I saw. I saw them. Mimasen deshita. I didn't see. I didn't see them. I didn't see him. Mimasen deshita. For U verbs, it's almost the same again. We retain the consonant, replace U with imashita for affirmative and imasen deshita for negative. Example, nomu. Nomu. So, to say drunk, I drank beer. I drank water. Nomimashita. Nomimashita. So again, mu becomes mi. Nomimasen deshita. Did not drink. Did not drink. Nomimasen deshita. Next, yomu. Yomu. Yomimashita. Yomimashita. Read. Not read. The past tense of read is read, but with the same spelling. So, read. I read the magazine. I read the newspaper. Yomimasen deshita. Did not read. I did not read the assignment. So, yomimasen deshita. Hanasu, to speak. So, here, sa, shi, su. So, su becomes shi. So, hanashimashita. Hanashimashita. Spoke. He spoke to me. Hanashimasen deshita. I didn't speak. Didn't speak. Hanashimasen deshita. Kiku. To listen, to hear, to ask. So, the past tense affirmative is kikimashita. Kikimashita. I listened, I asked, I heard. The past tense negative, kikimasen deshita. I did not listen, I did not ask, I did not hear. Iku. So, iku, ikimashita, I went. Gakko ni ikimashita. I went to school. Ikimashita. Then, ikimasen deshita. Didn't go. Ikimasen deshita. So here, ku becomes ki. Up the ladder, ku becomes ki. For kaeru, so we retain the letter R. It becomes ri. So here, kaeru, kaerimashita. Kaerimashita. Return. I returned home. Kaerimasen deshita. Kaerimasen deshita. Didn't return. Okay? So for irregular verbs, in order to conjugate the irregular verbs to past tense, we just again retain the consonant, replace uru with imashita for affirmative and imasen deshita for negative. Suru. Suru. So, suru, because it's S, sa shisu, shimashita. Did, shimashita. Did, I did. Shimasen deshita. Didn't do, I didn't do. We didn't do. Benkyou suru, to study. So, benkyou shimashita. I studied. He studied. Benkyou shimashita. Benkyou shimasen deshita. Did not study. Benkyou shimasen deshita. Next, kuru, to come. So to say, I came, kimashita. Kimashita. Came. Kimasen deshita. Didn't come. Kimasen deshita. So here again, from the letter u, sur, uru, kuru becomes i. So, shi. Su, shi, ku, ki. Okay? It is important to note that in Japanese, there is no such thing as will eat or will drink. The conjugation is different. In order to do a future tense in Japanese, we make use of the present tense of the verb. So, tabemasu, nomimasu, mimasu, yomimasu, plus time reference such as tomorrow, later, etc. For example, atto de tabemasu. Atto de tabemasu. I will eat later. Atto de tabemasu. Okay, now we're going to have the table summary of the verbs, the present and past conjugations. First, taberu, to eat. So this is the polite form used for speaking to superiors or to strangers. So the present form of taberu, tabemasu, eat, tabemasen, don't eat. The past affirmative, tabemashita, I ate, tabemasen deshita, didn't eat. Okay? For example, mo sukoshi mae ni tabemashita. Mo sukoshi mae ni tabemashita. I already ate a while ago. Next, neru, the dictionary form. So, the present is nemasu, sleep. Nemasen, do not sleep. Slept, nemashita, did not sleep. Nemasen deshita. Example, watashi wa gogo 11 ji made nemasen deshita. I didn't sleep until 11 p.m. Watashi wa gogo 11 ji made nemasen deshita. I didn't sleep until 11 p.m. Next, okiru, to get up. Okiru. The present is okimasu, to get up. I get up. Okimasu. Negative, okimasen, do not get up. Okimasen, do not get up. Okimashita, got up. Okimashita. Then, okimasen deshita, did not get up. Okimasen deshita, did not get up. For example, watashi wa keisa gozen 6 ji goro ni okimashita. I got up at around 6 a.m. this morning. Watashi wa keisa gozen 6 ji goro ni okimashita. Watashi wa keisa gozen 6 ji goro ni okimashita. Next, miru. Past tense affirmative. Mimasu, see, I see. He sees. Negative, mimasen, do not see. I do not see. Past tense, mimashita, saw, mimashita. Next, mimasen deshita, did not see. Mimasen deshita. Example, watashi tachi wa koen de kare ni mimasen deshita. We didn't see him in the park. Watashi tachi wa koen de kare ni mimasen deshita. We didn't see him in the park. Next, nomu, to read. Nomu. So the present is nomimasu, drink. He drinks. Affirmative. Present affirmative, nomimasu. Present negative, nomimasen, do not drink. He doesn't drink. The past, nomimashita, drank. Nomimashita, drank. Nomimasen deshita, did not drink. Nomimasen deshita, did not drink. Hai, Pocari Sueto o nomimashita. I drank the Pocari Sweat. Pocari Sueto o nomimashita. I drank the Pocari Sweat. Hai, Pocari Sueto o nomimashita. Next, yomu, to read. Yomu. Present affirmative, yomimasu. I read. Present negative, yomimasen. Do not read. Yomimasen. The past is yomimashita, read. Yomimashita, read. Yomimasen deshita, did not read. Yomimasen deshita, did not read. Example, kakase wa resun o yomimasen deshita. The student did not read the lesson. Gakusei wa resun o yomimasen deshita. The student did not read the lesson. Next, hanasu, to speak. Hanasu. Present affirmative, hanashimasu. Hanashimasu. Present negative, hanashimasen, hanashimasen. Past affirmative, hanashimashita, spoke, hanashimashita. Past negative, hanashimasen deshita, did not speak, hanashimasen deshita, did not speak. Example, watashi tachi wa Nihon no rikishi ni tsuite o hanashimashita. Watashi tachi wa Nihon no rikishi ni tsuite o hanashimashita. We talk about the history of Japan. Watashi tachi wa Nihon no rikishi ni tsuite o hanashimashita. Here, the O is highlighted to signify that the speaker is using the polite form of the verb, o hanashimashita. So, you can remove O and still the translation is the same. We talk about the history of Japan. But with O, it's more humble, more polite when speaking to somebody else, like a teacher or superior. So, o hanashimashita. Watashi tachi wa Nihon no rikishi ni tsuite o hanashimashita. Next, kiku, to listen, to hear, to ask. The present is listen, hear, ask, kikimasu, kikimasu. The negative is kikimasen, do not listen, do not hear, do not ask, kikimasen. Kikimashita, listened, heard, asked, kikimashita. Did not listen, did not hear, did not ask, kikimasen deshita, kikimasen deshita. For example, iyo koto o kikimasen deshita. I didn't hear what you said. Iyo koto o kikimasen deshita. I didn't hear what you said. Next, iku. Iku, to go. The present is ikimasu. I go. He goes. Ikimasu. Next, ikimasen. I do not go. He doesn't go. Ikimasen. The past is ikimashita, went. Ikimashita. The past negative, ikimasen deshita. Ikimasen deshita. Past negative. Did not go. Ikimasen deshita. For example, Kyou wa super ni ikimashita. Kyou wa super ni ikimashita. I went to the supermarket today. Kyou wa super ni ikimashita. Next, kaeru, to return. Kaeru. So, the affirmative present, kaerimasu, I return, he returns. Negative present, kaerimasen, I do not return, kaerimasen. Past affirmative, kaerimashita, returned, kaerimashita, returned. Past negative, kaerimasen deshita, did not return, kaerimasen deshita. Example, Senshu no nichiyobi ni ie ni kaerimasen deshita. Senshu no nichiyobi ni ie ni kaerimasen deshita. I didn't return home last Sunday. Senshu no nichiyobi ni ie ni kaerimasen deshita. Next, we have suru. So the dictionary form, suru is suru. So suru, to do. Suru, it's the present form. Shimasen, do not. Shimashita, did. Past affirmative, shimashita. Past negative, shimasen deshita, did not do. Shimasen deshita. So here, the benkyo suru, to study. It's the same, we just add the suru to make it the verb study. So, benkyo shimasu. I study, he studies. Benkyo shimasu. The present negative, benkyo shimasen. I do not study. He doesn't study. Benkyo shimasen. the past. Affirmative, Benkyou shimashita. Studied. I studied, he studied, we studied. Past negative, Benkyou shimasen deshita. Benkyou shimasen deshita. Did not study. He did not study. Example, Watashi wa kino nihongo o benkyou shimasen deshita. Watashi wa kino nihongo o benkyou shimasen deshita. I did not study Japanese yesterday because I was too lazy. Watashi wa kino nihongo o benkyou shimasen deshita. Last, we have kuru. Kuru. So kuru means to come. Present affirmative, kimas, to come. I mean, come. I come, he comes. Then, do not come, negative, present, kimasen. He doesn't come, kimasen. Past affirmative, kimashita, came, kimashita. Past negative, kimasen deshita, did not come, kimasen deshita. For example, Watashi wa Philippine kara kimashita. Watashi wa Philippine kara kimashita. I came from the Philippines. Okay, simple exercise. We're going to formulate the past tense of these verbs according to what we have studied. For example, taberu becomes tabemashita, ate, or tabemasen deshita, did not eat. So you can pause the video and try and solve for miru, okiru, iku, and hanasu. Okay, so for miru, mimashita, I saw. Negative, past negative, mimasen deshita, did not see. For okiru, okimashita, for affirmative, affirmative past, got up. So negative past, okimasen deshita, did not get up. For iku, we have ikimashita, went. Ikimasen deshita, did not go. Ikimasen deshita, did not go. For hanasu, hanashimashita, spoke. Hanashimashita. For the past negative, hanashimasen deshita, did not speak. Hanashimasen deshita. Okay. I want to thank you all for listening and watching, and I hope you have learned something today. If you have some questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you find my channel interesting and useful, and my videos useful, please consider subscribing. I will be posting more videos on the Japanese grammar, on the Japanese vocabulary in the near future. Mite kurete arigato. Mata aimashou.